This is Outlook Practice Exam number 2 for 2019. Task 1, modify the navigation options so Mail is listed first on the navigation bar. So down on our navigation bar you can see Calendar, then Mail, then People, then Tasks. We're going to click on the 3 dots on our navigation bar and select Navigation Options. In the Display in this order section, we're going to select Mail and move up to the top and click OK. So you can see now Mail is listed first in our navigation. Number 2, modify the view of the inbox folder to display a maximum of 3 lines in compact mode. Make sure your inbox is selected. Go up to View, and in the current View command group, select View Settings. In the Advanced View Settings dialog box, we're going to select Columns, and up at the top, maximum number of lines in compact mode, we're going to set to 3 and click OK. Now I do have an issue with this question. I'll show you as I'm going through. Task number 3, search all Outlook items simultaneously to locate the item containing the words retirement party and then delete the item. So we would go to our search bar, or right now mine says current mailbox, and I'm going to change that to search for all Outlook items. Then in my search box, as I click in there, you can see my particular, this may not happen for you, but my question is going to be marked wrong because of this. So my Windows search engine is currently disabled. So on this particular server, the search engine is disabled. So even though it will go through the steps, it won't actually complete it and delete the item. So I'm just going to show you how to do the steps correctly, but again, mine will be marked incorrect. You may not have this issue, but you may as well, so just a heads up for that. I'm going to click OK, and in my search bar I'm going to search for retirement party and click enter. So this is currently in my drafts folder with a subject of please verify. You can see the body of it, plan retirement party for Brian. So to delete this item, when I hover over it, I get that X, and I can click on it. This will be permanently deleted. Continue, and I would select yes. But again, since my Windows search service is turned off, it's not actually understanding that. Outlook is not connecting with Windows on that question. So when I click next, it is marked as incorrect, but those are the correct steps to complete that particular question. So again, just a heads up because that may happen to you. I'm just going to progress to task number 4. Create a signature named Assistant for Sue Miller using a 16-point freestyle script. Go to File, Options, Mail, and select the Signatures button. And up in the Select Signatures to Edit, I'm going to click New, and I'm going to name this Assistant. Click OK. And then down in the Edit Signature section, we're going to use the Freestyle script font, and the font size is going to be 16, and the signature is going to be the name Sue Miller, and click OK. Task 5, create a rule that automatically marks as read any emails sent only to me. So up on my Home tab, in my Move command group, I'm going to select the Rules drop-down and select Create Rule. When I get email with all of the selected conditions, I'm going to check off Sent to, and from that drop-down, I'm going to select Me Only. But I still need to signify that they're automatically going to be marked as read. So I'm going to go down to my advanced options. You can see that sent only to me is already checked off. I'm going to click next, and then what do you want to do with the message? Select your action. We're going to check off mark it as read. Click next. Are there any exceptions? We do not have any exceptions, so I'm going to click next again. So you can preview your new rule, apply this rule after the message arrives, sent only to me, mark it as read, and you can click finish. Task 6, configure Outlook so that a sound plays when an email is received. I'm going to go to File, Options, my Mail category, and then down in the Message Arrival section, when new messages arrive, we're going to play a sound, so I'm going to check that box off and click OK. Seven, send an email to R. Lee with the subject Timesheets due today. Leave the body of the message blank and send the message. I'm going to select New Email, hit my To button, and select R. Lee. Click on the To field and select OK. The subject, Timesheets due today with an exclamation point. We're going to leave the body of the message blank and click Send. Make sure you wait for that Send Receive error to click the Next button. Eight, request a read and delivery receipt for the message with the subject Pay Raise that's located in the Drafts folder and send the message. I'm going to choose my Drafts folder, and I'm going to double click to open my Pay Raise draft. And then from the message window, I'm going to go to my Options tab, and we want a read and delivery receipt. So request a delivery receipt and request a read receipt. Both check off. We can go ahead and click Send. Wait for that error. Nine, block the sender Craig Stronin so you won't receive mail from him. So Craig Stronin is in our inbox list, so I can select either message from him and then go up to my Home tab. And from the Junk drop-down, I'm going to select Block Sender. Click OK. Task 10, insert Hideki Tomo's business card into the appointment for Thursday. Save and close the appointment. I'm going to navigate over to my calendar view. And Thursday's appointment, 12 a.m. training meeting. I'm going to double click to open that meeting. Open that appointment. And we want to insert Hideki Tomo's business card. I'm I'm going to click into the body of the appointment and then go up to my Insert tab. In the Include command group, select Business Card drop-down and select Other Business Cards. We're going to choose Hideki Tomo from our list and click OK. We have that business card attached now, and we can save and close the appointment. So we have to go back to the Appointment tab and select Save and Close. Number 11, in the Outlook options, set the mail to always check spelling before sending. I'm going to go to File, Options, choose my mail category, and in the Compose Messages section, we have the checkbox for always check spelling before sending. So check that off and click OK. Number 12, add a note to the Fusion Tomo team contact group that says Team 1-Management and Development. I'm going to go over to my People view, and I'm going to double click to open my Fusion Tomo contact group. On my contact group tab in my show group, I'm going to select Notes. I'm going to enter the note Team 1 space dash space Management and Development. Then I'm going to click Save and Close. Number 13, create a task with the following information. After created, save and close the task. The subject, review content, status in progress, and percent complete 10. So from my new items drop-down, I can select task, enter the subject as review content, set our status to in progress, and then percent complete. You can't use your scroll arrows because you can see it only does 25% increments. So if you just click on there, you can edit that to 10%. Then save and close. '14, block the sender of the email from support. So in your inbox, make sure the support username email is selected. Go to your Home tab, delete group, and your junk drop-down, and from here you're going to block sender. Number 15, export the drafts folder as an Outlook data file. Save it to the Geometrics templates folder with the name draft emails. Do not export duplicate items. Do not insert a password. So we're going to first select our drafts folder. Then we're going to go up to our File tab and select Open and Export. And from the Open window, we're going to select the Import Export button. And then in the Wizard dialog box, choose an action to perform. We want to export to a file. Click Next. Create a file of type, we want Outlook data file with the .pst extension. Click Next. Make sure that your drafts folder is selected, this is where we're exporting from, and click Next. Then Save Exported File As, we're going to click our Browse button. We want this saved to the Geometrics Templates folder, and the file name we're going to update is Draft Emails. Click OK. We do not want to export duplicate items, so make sure that radial button is selected and click Finish. We do not want to set a password, so you want to leave that blank and click OK. Assign the task Clean Break Room to Craig Stronin and save and close the task. So we're going to go to our navigation bar and select our task view. Here we have the Clean Break Room task already created. We can double click that to open and edit. And on our task ribbon tab in the Manage Task group, we want to choose Assign Task. That gives us our to field, which we're going to select. Choose Craig Stronin, hit the To button, and click OK. Then we're going to save and close that task. Number 17, change the conversation cleanup options to move cleaned up items to the deleted items folder, the deleted items mail folder. Clean up your inbox folder. So we're going to go to File, Options, choose our mail category, and we're going to scroll down to the conversation cleanup section. So the first one, cleaned up items, will go to this folder. Right now it is set to our junk email folder, and we want to change this to the deleted items mail folder. So we're going to click our Browse button and select the deleted items folder and click OK. Then we can click OK from our options window. Now we still need to lastly clean up your inbox folder. So with your inbox folder selected, you're going to go up to your Home tab and your Cleanup command drop down, and you're going to choose Cleanup Folder. You'll get the message, all redundant messages in your current folder will be moved to the deleted items folder. Go ahead and select Cleanup Folder. Task 18, create a signature with the following information, and it gives you a note that it's important. Please make sure to name the signature Fusion Tomo exactly. It is case sensitive, meaning the F is capital, the T is capital. Make sure there is no space in between Fusion Tomo. So we're going to go up to our File tab, Options, and select our Mail category. Then we're going to select our Signatures button. In the Select Signatures to Edit section, we're going to select New, and we're going to name this Fusion Tomo. And then down in the Edit Signature section, we can set the font to Arial with a size of 10 point, and then enter as they want it. So they want the body signature as Fusion Tomo, the next line, Business Relations Team, the next line, relations at fusiontomo.com. Click OK from there. Click OK from your options box. Task 19, create a new search folder that gets important mail in the Geometrics folder. In our folder list, we're going to select Search Folder and then click New Search Folder. And then in the Select a Search Folder Reading Mail section, we're going to select Important Mail and click OK. Task 20, change your settings to not check for duplicates when saving new contacts. We're going to go to File, Options, our People category, and in the Names and Filing section, we want to uncheck Check for duplicates when saving new contacts. Click OK. Task 21, set a reminder on the appointment for next Wednesday for 15 minutes. I'm going to navigate to my calendar view. Here we have Wednesday's 11 a.m. important appointment. I'm going to double click that to open it. And from my appointment tab in my options command group, I'm going to choose the reminder drop down for 15 minutes. I'm going to save and close. I apologize for my dog barking. Task 22, ignore the conversation from Rachel Lee titled Vacation Request. So from our inbox, here we have the Rachel Lee Vacation Request email. Just click once to select it, and you're going to go up to your Home tab in your Delete command group and select Ignore Conversation. The selected conversation and all future messages will be moved to the deleted items folder. You can click Ignore Conversation.